Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Showbiz TV. Today we talk about very beautiful, very young and very famous American singer and actress Lilo Baier. Biography, lifestyle, hobbies, network, real age, boyfriend and much more. So guys, don't skip the video, watch till end, and if you love this video to the end, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for future update. Her birth name is Lilo Baier, nickname Lilo. Date of birth 7 July 2006. Present age 17 years old as of 2023. Birthplace Singapore and raised in Michigan, United States. Currently lives in Los Angeles, California, United States. Nationality American. Ethnicity white. Religion Christianity. Birth sign Cancer. Height 5 feet 3 inches. Weight 45 kilograms. Body type banana. Eye color brown. Hair color blonde. Education undergraduate. Marital status unmarried. Boyfriend single. Actress and singer by profession. Years active 2015 to present. Let's start the hobbies. She likes dancing. She likes playing video games. She likes swimming. She likes listening to music. She likes taking selfies. She likes traveling around the world. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Facebook, 17k followers on Facebook. She is also famous on TikTok, 4,732 followers on TikTok. She is very famous on YouTube, 2.23k subscribers on YouTube. And she is Instagram star, 180k followers on Instagram. Net worth, according to Google, $2 million approx. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, share and press the bell icon for future updates.